Hey guys, let me show you how to set an emergency contact on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. I think that every person needs to know this information to protect yourself just in case. And let's start with adding an emergency contact. For this, we would need this Health app, which is installed on the phone. And now, just tap your profile icon in the upper right corner and then go to the Medical ID. And right here you can see the tab which is named Emergency Contacts. So to add one, we just need to tap on the Edit, then scroll till Emergency Contacts and add any contact from your contacts list. For example, I will add my friend and now just set a relationship with this person. So as I said before, Emily is my friend, so I'm gonna add it as a friend and then just tap Done button. Great, and now this person is added as an emergency contact. You can add here your husband, wife, daughter, son, and so on, just any person which you trust. And now let me show you how to use this function. For this, let's just wake up the watch and then press and hold the side button. And you can see three options here. So if you drag this slider to emergency call, you would call an emergency services, and if you continue to hold down the side button after you start a call, then Apple Watch will send a message to your emergency contacts as well. And this message will include your current location and information that you need help. And now, if you want to just send a message or call your emergency contact without calling an emergency services, then just drag the slider for Medical ID. And here you can see the number of your emergency contact. So just tap it and you will call it immediately. So that's it. Be safe and take care. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.